guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am back again with another Zara try on haul video. So I went to Zara and I tried on some of their beautiful maxi dresses from the new collection. They have beautiful dresses that you can wear in spring and also in summer. I have this first one, this blue one with yellow flowers. It has a round neck and it has 3 buttons on the front. It also has buttons on the sleeves. I love this one because it has long sleeves and I like that so much. So you can wear this with blue or even black sandals. And then we have the second one. This one is very beautiful. I love it so much, and this one has strings that you tie around your neck and it has long sleeves. They are so beautiful, and I think I tried on a size large. I don't know what was happening, but this size is not my size. So this is a cute dress that you can wear with the sandals and also with heels, and you can wear this to the beach. I think it's a beautiful dress to wear to the beach. And then we have this one, and this one is so beautiful. This white dress is so beautiful, and it's not so long like the other dresses, and I love it because it's so loose and comfortable. So it has long sleeves and it has 2 buttons on the sleeves. It also has buttons on the front, and you can wear this with sandals. This is also like a beach dress. I think this is a nice dress to wear to the beach, and I tried on a size small. And then we have this navy blue one. Now this one is so cute. It has a V neckline and it has adjustable elastic drawstring on the waist and also on the sleeves, and I like it so much. You can wear this with sandals. This is a very cute and comfortable dress, and I tried on a size small. The last one that we have is this blue one with a white and black dots, and this one comes with a belt, so you can also remove this belt and wear it with your other dresses. And I tried on a size small, so this is the last one, and you can also wear this with sandals. Try on many dresses today because I didn't have enough time, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments, and let me know if you enjoy this type of videos. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed, comment, and you should also watch my other Zara try on haul videos. See you in my next video.